Manvi here. I hope you're doing good because today I'm going to show you how I curl my hair naturally, and I do this all the time. It works. So yeah, let's get started. After washing my hair, I wait for them to dry almost 70 to 80% and then gently comb my hair. Part them into two big sections. Now I'm sectioning my front hair into two and cross them. Now add some hair to this section and cross it. Make sure you take all the hair horizontally on one side. Keep doing it till there are no more hair left to add. And now simply twist your hair and cross them. When love comes in, wrap around your hair into a bun and secure it with an elastic band. I'm going to follow the same steps on the other side as well. I generally do it in the night before going to bed. Also, this is very comfortable for me to sleep in. It takes me around 4 to 5 minutes to make these buns, and next day I wake up with beautiful round curls. Now it's time to open these buns, and make sure you open them with light hand because you want your curls intact. When you use curling iron, there's no doubt you damage your hair. This way I save my hair from heat. I've been doing it for over 4 or 5 years now. It's very simple and easy to do. You just have to invest your 4 to 5 minutes and forget about it. Next morning you'll wake up with beautiful, gorgeous curls. It takes around 7 to 8 hours to form perfect curls. So this is how it looks and I love it. I'm using this hair serum from Streaks to get rid of any frizz from my hair. You can apply hairspray as well to make them last longer. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you're enjoying the content I'm creating. Lots of love and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye bye.